Since 1870, Wilmington College has been a special place for so many alumni and friends. I'm Matt Werhoftig, a graduate from the class of 1993. During my time at Wilmington College, I recall being fascinated with the story of President Sam Marble leading students in building Marble Hall. The college was at a crossroads in the years following World War II. Always an institution that believed in self-help, Wilmington College students, faculty, and staff rolled up their sleeves and built a dormitory. The college finds itself at another crossroads today. Kettering Science Hall was constructed more than 50 years ago and is no longer adequate for optimal teaching and learning. The college has a plan calling for renovation of the Kettering building and a 14,000 square foot addition that will fulfill our needs well into the 21st century.
And I think that when we get the new wing on Kettering, one of the things that it's going to do is it's going to increase the space and the number of students that we can educate. Biology has been growing about 15% a year in the number of majors, and agriculture also has been growing.
Alright, my name is Nick Elwert. I'm a senior biology major here at Wilmington, and I plan on studying osteopathic medicine at Lincoln Memorial University, the DeBusk College of Medicine. Well, the osteopathic medical application process is very long. It's a very tedious application. But if it wasn't for the science faculty, it wouldn't have been possible. You know, they've been through this before, and obviously this is my first time applying. And so being able to ask them questions of, you know, how exactly does this get filled out and how does this get filled out was priceless. The science faculty gratefully gave me letters of recommendation, which obviously I couldn't have gotten into medical school without those recommendations. And they were very impressed with specifically the research that I've been doing at Wilmington. I've been able to do cell cycle research of Toxoplasma gondii, and being able to do that research, I really feel like gave me a leg up in the competition. You know, Wilmington has, as I've said, it has the science faculty and staff that is dedicated to student success. It has the instrumentation. It needs the building. Quite frankly, with a renovation of this magnitude, the sky's the limit for the science faculty and staff.
The building has not changed much in the 35 years that I've been here, but the teaching has changed considerably. I remember purchasing 6 hot plates so that I could have one at each table for a particular lab that I had developed, and we could only use 2 of them because if I turned on the 3rd hot plate in the lab, the fuses blew.
Students, when they come and look at Wilmington, like all people in the population nowadays, image is everything. And so that image is important. And the first thing they see is a little bit older building.
I talk about the equipment that we have and the fact that our students actually get to use the equipment. It's not there for show, but still, that first impression when they see the facilities, the building itself is, it's hard to compete if they've been to other schools and seen their science departments.
My name's Caitlin Deaver. I'm from Johnstown, Ohio. I'm a senior this year and my major is agricultural business. Coming in as a freshman, you are out here on the farm very hands-on. Your first lab out here, you're castrating or, they're doing lamb watch right now. So it's very hands-on. So you have the agricultural aspect just coming in your first year, but then also with my business degree, I've also seen the other side of the curriculum too.
My name is Edmond Bissong and I'm the student body president for Wilmington College. I'm actually an international student from Cameroon, West Africa, and my dad is actually an alumni from 1978. He encouraged my brother Leroy and I to attend Wilmington College, and we've definitely enjoyed our stay here at Wilmington College. It's been our home for the past 3 years now. When I look at things from the student government and working with people in admissions, we know that when we recruit students into Wilmington College, one of the things they consider is the infrastructure. Every student at some point in their college career will get to use that building.
When I came to Wilmington in 1961, the Kettering was 10 years old at that time. Today it's 50 years old. I wish for students of tomorrow to have the same rewarding opportunity as I did in a modern, up-to-date science and agricultural building.
The successful completion of this project for the college means that we've got to have a successful fundraising drive and show that Wilmington College can generate supports for its vision.
Our students can do things. In the past 3 years that we've been tallying results, all of our students have had employment positions within 6 months of graduation. And the employers keep coming back and telling us that they prefer our students in internships and on their payroll. They're just not finding people elsewhere that's being able to perform as well.
Hi, I'm Jim Reynolds. I'm glad you've taken the opportunity to learn more about our campaign for the sciences and agriculture. This building project is crucial for the future of our college, and I know we can count on your support.
When a new men's dormitory was needed, those who loved Wilmington College answered Sam Marble's clarion call. Today, Wilmington College calls upon you to support this vitally important building project. Help us make this new science and agriculture facility a reality. Invest in the future of our students. Invest in the spirit that has sustained this institution for more than 140 years. Invest in the future of Wilmington College, your college.